What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're going to go over ONYXCOIN or XCN, which is down 8.7% at 25 cents. I think this, or at 2.5 cents, I think this is a perfect time to be accumulating this coin. I'm going to go over why in this video, the bullish pennant that's currently playing out, and what actually a bullish pennant is with chart analysis behind it. So there's a lot to go over here on ONYXCOIN. We're at $815 million market cap. All-time high is 18 cents 2 years ago. I think we can easily overtake that this bull run. All-time low was a year ago. ONYXCOIN is available on a lot of exchanges, guys. There's 3 different pages of exchanges: Coinbase, Get.io, KuCoin, BitGet, Bitmart, MEXC. It's pretty much just not on Binance, if I'm not mistaken. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on XCN. All right, everybody, let's get into XCN. So we are still within this pennant right now, testing the uptrend support area perfectly, guys. Now, what I've gone over this numerous times. What I currently think is happening is this, just on a larger scale. You can see very same pattern. You take the flagpole right here from the run up to the breakout point. That's exactly how far we went, right up to here to 5. Similar situation. If we break out to the upside of this pennant, which I think is going to be the play, there's a good chance they'll be running up to about 20 cents, guys. 20 cents. And just to back this up, let's look at this real quick. I have a little chart here for you guys. So what's currently taking place? This is a bullish pennant right now, a continuation pattern. You can see we had the sideways consolidation right here, similar to this sideways consolidation. You had the breakout, you had the breakout, you had the consolidation in the pennant, you had the consolidation in the pennant, you had the breakout, and now all we're doing is having a secondary consolidation like this, guys, and then you'll have the breakout. And like I said, the breakout most likely will take us to 20 cents, guys. You can't deny that this looks exactly like the chart right now, just consolidating within a pennant until you break out to the upside. So XCN, perfectly healthy in my personal opinion. I mean, we've pretty much just been consolidating since the 26th of January. Not a whole lot to go over there. Indicators, the indicator on the 4-hour chart, we're looking at the 4-hour, look at the day, we're to look at the longer term time frame. The 4-hour chart is looking good. The stock RSI is reset. We're all the way at a local bottom here where we normally bottom out, which shows sign of reversal. And that's what I'd expect by hitting this uptrend support area right here at 2.5. A good support area for ONYXCOIN. On top of that, we do have overbought on the WTX, or oversold on the WTX. We are in the green right now, so that's fantastic. If we look at the RSI is actually putting in a higher low right now, so that's fantastic as well. Now I want to focus on the day chart here. This is really going to be the real big storyteller for us, guys. Right here on the day chart. Now the day chart's still looking pretty good. I mean, look at the stock RSI. We are low. We were at 36, guys. We've hardly ever gone this low before. Last time we went this low was February 3rd, 2024, or August 4th, 2024. And let's see what happened there. August 4th, 2024. Not a whole lot, just sideways consolidation. But still, you are down at that local bottom area on the stock RSI, which is showing signs of reversalness. Now, if you look at the WTX is currently not overbought anymore. We got the double sell signals and we had the heavy retracement. If we had to look at the WTX uptrend, this is currently what I'm going to be expecting this chart to do. Probably retrace back down here before we see the next large run up to the upside for this coin. RSI is still a little high, but I'm really not too concerned about that. I mean, if you actually look at the uptrend, we are not quite there yet. So I would be keeping an eye on probably a 56 retracement until we saw another rally to the upside from there. So we're almost at the level, guys. We're almost at the reset level. I mean, even the bearishness on the chart right here is starting to cool down. You can see we're at 0.001 right now. I think this is going to start cooling off like this, in which turn this should be the local bottom here for XCN. I mean, absolute worst case scenario is going down to 2.2. I wouldn't be surprised if we threw a wick down to 2.2. You can see it happened back here on February 4th. If we catch a wick down to 2.2, there's a good chance that we see a bounce off that 618 and a continuation of the upside. To be fully transparent with you guys, I feel comfortable picking XCN up at this level, and I'm actually going to pick some XCN up today and try to catch this next run up, because this next run up for this coin could be a 7x. 7x is nothing to sneeze at, guys. 7x is big. It's big. I mean, even if it broke here to go up to the 618, that's a 2.5x. 2.5x is nice. Very, very nice. So indicators are looking pretty good in my personal opinion. On the day chart, if we look at the longer term time frames, such as the 3 day, the 3 day is still overbought. That's the one concern. We're still overbought on the 3 day. I'm really not too concerned about that because we still are above our 618, but you can see we still are overbought on the RSI or WTX. That uptrend on the 3 day, we're not even coming close to it yet. If you look at the secondary uptrend on this coin, we are currently close to that support area right there at about 86. So that's something to keep an eye on the 3 day. RSI, similar situation. We were overbought. We're back down to 72. You have your uptrend support area right here, just a little bit more to go down to test that uptrend support. MACD, unfortunately, you're still not consolidating, you're still falling. You're still falling. The last 3, 6, 9, 12 days have been more bearish than bullish, as we've seen. But in retrospect, man, you've just been consolidating. That's pretty much it. You've just been consolidating sideways. I wouldn't be too worried about it. I mean, the 4-hour chart looks good. The day chart looks good. This 12-hour chart looks really good, guys. The 12-hour chart is the money maker right here. You can see the MACD is about ready to flip bullish. RSI is tailing up. WTX is tailing back up. And the stock RSI is looking good. So I wouldn't be surprised at all if this continuation is over. The latest would be, I would say, the 11th or 12th. And then you can see a rally up to around 0.005 from where we're currently at. So 2.4 to 5 cents. And that would be the play here for XCN. Now, XCN, if I'm not mistaken, they did. At the beginning, I said they didn't get listed on Binance. I believe they did get listed on Binance, and that's what caused this huge rally right here for XCN. The rally up past the 618 was that voting to get listed on Binance. I do believe that passed. I remember seeing some comments about it. But right now, guys, consolidation. Your main thing is 2.2 cents. Could we wick there? Absolutely. Could we wick below it? Absolutely. As long as we don't hard candle below 2.22, then I'm perfectly fine with that. I think a buy-in order at 2.22 would be reasonable because there is a good chance that they could throw a wick down there and then you could get a very, very nice entry price on XCN because I don't think we're going to be crashing below 2.2. I mean, Bitcoin is currently at like, what, 92,000 if I'm not mistaken. I haven't even looked at the Bitcoin price today. Bitcoin right now is currently at 96,000. Yeah, Bitcoin's currently at 96,000. We've dropped from 109 to 96, and XCN hasn't fallen off the table. XCN, all XCN has done is consolidate sideways. So I'm really not worried about XCN. I'm very, very comfortable picking more XCN up here for this next rally to the upside, guys, which is very good chance of bringing us up to around 20 cents. Very, very good chance of bringing us to 20 cents, which is a 7.5x. So guys, with that, none of this is financial advice. And if you have any coins that you would like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.